As children, we have completed with the fraction lesson. Now we will start with the decimal new lesson, and that lesson, the basic things you will see here. That what is a decimal? Here the number is given 372.85. So in the decimal there are the two parts. This part is your means we can say a whole part, and after the decimal point the number which are there that are called the decimal part, or we can say it as a fractional part. So we will just see here the value of these numbers according to the place value chart. So as it is a 365, so on the ones place you will be having 5, in tens place 6, in hundred place 3. So number is 365.297. So decimal point will be there. Then now 2 is on the 10th place. So it is 1 upon 10. Here you can see only 1. Here it is 1 upon 10. Means this can be written as 2 upon 10. Next is, means it is moving as it is in the right direction, the value is decreasing. 2 upon 10, this will be 1 upon 100. So the 9 will be 9 upon 100. Next will be 7 upon 1000. So as you move here in this side, the value is increasing. As we move in this side, the value is decreasing. This is the most important thing. It is ones, tens, 100,000, and it is from after the decimal point 10th, 100th. You can see that th, 10th, 100th, 1000th. Here 3 is your 300. The place value of 3 is 300. Just now as I told you, the place value of 6 is 60. Place value of 5 is 5 as it is in the ones place. But the place value of 2 is 2 upon 10. That is equals to 0.2. If the number is 1 there, the point value will be 0.2. Place value of 9 is 9 upon 100, or we can say 0.09. Place value of 7 upon 100, that will be equals to 0.007. Then the expanded form of it. Expanded form, as we know, the expanded form is just writing the place values and giving the addition sign. So 300 plus 60 plus 5 plus 0.2, if you are writing in the decimal point, expanded form, it will be 0.2 plus 0.09 plus 0.007. If we write it in the form of fraction, it will be 2 upon 10, 9 upon 100, and 7 upon 1000. If we write it in the exponential form, 100, 10 to the power 2, then 10, then again 10, here it will be according to the powers. Now on the basis of that, there are some examples given in the book on page number 50. First example, it is given that sum of the fraction is given and you have to tell that which of them are decimal. So most important thing, the decimal are having the denominator 10, 100 or 1000 or 10,000 as it is moving, but its this fraction should be in this format, then only that will be the decimal. So these numbers are your decimal numbers, remaining are only the fraction. Then write the following as fraction. They have given it in the form of fraction and you have to write it in the form of the decimal. It's very simple as it is the decimal. Here the denominator is 10, so you can write it as 0.3, means after decimal point write the 3 as it is and give the decimal point. Here also it is 9 upon 10, so it will be 9, give the decimal point, your answer will be 0.9. 5 upon 10, write 5, you have to just see how many zeros are there. If it is a 10, decimal point will be here. Now here the 100 and you have only one digit, so you will write the 5, but the decimal point is after 2 digit. If you don't have the digit, then you can give 0 and you will be getting the answer 0.05. In the same way you are going to do it for the next, as the denominator is 1000, so after the 3-digit decimal point will be there. And one important thing, that the decimal point should be counting from this side, first digit, second digit, third digit. Here the 3 is there, so if you write 3, decimal point should be after 3 digits, so we don't have the digits, so first, second, third, and we will be getting the answer 0.003. So the next question is, see, write the following mixed numbers as decimal. Here what we are going to do, we will write the whole part. Mixed numbers are there, so whole part we will write as it is and convert the next number into the decimal. So you will be getting 1.3, here 4.56, as there are the two zeros, here 14 point, here are 3 zeros. So if there are the 3 zeros, the decimal point will be after 3 digit. We have only 2 digit, so as it is a 94, give the 0, give the decimal point, and before that the whole part will be there, so it will be 14.094. In this way you have to do the next examples. In the question D, it is given that write the following decimal as a mixed number. Here what we have to do, that you have to write the whole part, and give the after the decimal point there is 65, so 65 upon 100, as there are the 2 digits, so 2 zeros, so it will be 100. Here 2 upon 2 whole part and 147, means after 3 digit there is a decimal point, so 147 upon 1000. Here after 3 digit the decimal point is there, so 4 upon 1000. You have to see that after how many digit decimal point is there, according to that your denominator will be. Then the E question, write the place value of the underlying digit. You have to write the place value. This we have seen. As we are writing the place value in our previous lessons also. So here place value of 4 will be 4 upon 100 because your decimal point is after 3 digit, and it is a second place, so it will be 4 upon 100. This will be after only 10th place number, so 3 upon 10. Then 48 2.448, we should read the number as 2.48, not 2.48. So 8 is on the 100th place, so it will be 8 upon 100. Next is 6.172, as it is in 10th, 100th and 1000th place, so it will be 2 upon 1000. In this way you have to do the E examples. Then F, write as decimal. It is given in the expanded form and you have to write it in the decimal form. (400 plus 30 plus 6), that will be 436. Then 0.02.04, so 0.24, 436.24. Then, as it is not in the fraction, it is in the decimal point, so you have to read the number and according to that you have to write 34.068 as 06 and it is 008, so it will be 0.68. Then 586.07, then 98.279, then 8.689. Then from the sixth example, it is given in the form of fraction. 4 plus 1 upon 10 plus 2 upon 100 plus 3 upon 1000. So it is in the 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place. So you will be getting the number 4.123. And this will be in the 10th place, this is in the 100th place. So 78.66. 10th, 100th, 1000. So 56.589. Here it is 8 upon 1000. So it is on the 100th place. It is on the 100th place. 10th and 100th place are missing, and it is on 1000th place as the denominator is 1000. So you will be writing 888.10th place is missing, so 0. 100th place is missing, so it is also 0, and then 8. Same way 10th sum is there. If the place is missing, then you have to put the 0. That will be 35.307. Then the last question, write in the expanded form. If you want to write it in the expanded form, you have to write it in the fractional form. So 2.78, it means 2 plus 7 upon 10 plus 8 upon 100. Then 82.546, so 80 plus 2 plus 5 upon 10 plus 4 upon 100 plus 6 upon 1000. In this way the numbers will be there. You have to do it in the copy.